Today I'll be showing you the Lego Ninjago Fangpyre truck. The ages 8 to 14, 452 pieces, 9445. Here are the minifigures. Comes with the General, Fangdom with his staff. Nice detail on the back, but kind of weird because when it scales, that part's black and that's white on the bottom, so kind of makes it pretty weird. So, Fangdom, one of his minions, put him with a shuriken. This one, I just put him with white, just matches. He has nice two heads. JZX with a silver sword. He has that metal arm right there, and you can slide your swords in. Here is his face. It's not double-sided. And the last minifigure is ZX. Come with another shuriken. Nice detail on the front and the back. Still like the swords in golden armor. Nice. Here is Zane's vehicle. Nice because it looks like a snowmobile. It's pretty nice how it looks. Small and really good. But the thing that's kind of bad about it is when you roll it, it doesn't roll like that. You need to hold it kind of down and roll it with your hand. So, nice blue detail with that snow or ice. Nice pieces all around. Nice front detail. Those stickers. And on the side it looks awesome. Just awesome. Just how they have this piece right here. It's neat. Now we get to the Fangpyre truck. It can open his mouth very wide. Okay, that was just me. I don't know. Started kidding around, but whatever. You can fit a minifigure, but with no weapon. I'm gonna just put in Snapper. Let's see, Snapper. Oh, wait. You need to put them correctly. Can't put them in the side to have him right super straight. Claw. It's pretty hard to. You just need to make them fit. Oh. Okay, closed. Snapper. I hate you, Snapper. You suck. Who cares? Just pretend. You can just close them in, bring them out. Blah. Nice fangs in the front. Nice detail fangs. The eyes they're really fun to build the face. Like a normal one, like the Rattlecopter. I will be making a review next time. You can open this cockpit. Pretty big space you have in here. You close it. This tail can whip. But one of the things that I really dislike about this set is the tail, the whip tail. It is sometimes can break off. It's not the best. They could have just made it with joints or any. But if they made it with joints, it wouldn't whip very good. Nice whip piece on the here. Whip. There is some nice purplish bluish color. Pretty neat. Flames. there is this little place right here. Open it, and there's dynamite. This is the last feature, which is probably a really nice one. There's suspension. You press it down and it'll have suspension. And there is really nice detail on the bottom. Nice detail and everything. It's not a really fancy set or anything. It is not a hard set to build, actually. Pretty easy. It's fun to build. The cool thing about it is these stickers in the front. Nice stickers. And the engine stickers right here, and the sticker. Pretty neat. So, hope you like my video, and hope you like the features and on. Maybe you can buy it and make a review for yourself. Bye.